mainly three fundamental things of learning a new language. Those are speaking, and then listening, and then reading. It's the three fundamental things on a language. So my most favorite of those three is reading. And then if I could just write, just I love reading. And then the second one is speaking. And then the last one is reading, speaking, and then the last one, but at least, is listening. I used to hate listening because my TOEFL score was low since before I lost listening, because I haven't practiced listening for a while. Like when I was in third grade of high school. So why do I love reading? Because I simply like reading. My mother used to tell me to read when I was an infant. So she used to give me books for me to read. If I'm not mistaken, it was about dinosaurs books, and then about knowledge books, and also facts. That's why I love reading until now. So my skill in learning language is reading.
Reading.
Yeah.
Sure.
It's my main, and then speaking. And after speaking is listening. I think it's my least favorable skill in learning language. Any question?
What about writing?
Oh yeah, writing. I forgot to mention that. I'm not really good in writing English, like my font is kind of ugly, I don't really like writing in English. It's not about the pronunciation or even the spelling. It's about the font. Then any question?
Right, any question?
You like to learn English or any other language by games?
Playing games. No, I don't think I love playing games to learn new language, because if I'm going to learn a language, I should learn it really with my full effort instead of playing games. Because as you may know, that playing games doesn't really give you a lot. That's my point. It doesn't give you a lot. Any more questions?
All right. How do you practicing that your skill every single day? Example, your skill like listening or speaking. If you don't have your partner.
Without partner, right?
Yeah.
So for the listening part, you only need to use your logic. For example, I'm going to ask them something to learn. You don't really get the object, right? The word for the object is as something. So instead, you look at the whole sentence. Like, oh, the word is school. The appropriate word is school because I used to go to school for learning. That's for example. So you must heighten up your logic. You must train your logic. Use your brain like that.
All right. Any question? Please.
Master
Other than English and English.
For study. We said these three main languages, right? I know a little bit Turkish, and then Arabic. I used to learn Japanese also, and then like when I was in middle school, and then Japanese.
Okay. Interesting. So, which language do you think the most hardest?
The hardest. Arabic. Arabic.
Even though we see Arabic every day,
Yeah.
but it's still the hardest.
So the hardest to understand. Even though we used to recite Quran with the language, right? Like we spoke it a lot during Quran recitation, but we ain't gonna understand unless we want to learn it.
All right. That's it. Any question? All right. No more question. Thank you, Mr. Patan.